In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve distance between 2 points. Okay, so in mathematics, whenever we are giving points, let's assume that we have maybe we are giving this point s1, y1. We are also given another point. Let me say s2, y2. Okay, so how do we get the distance between these 2 points? One formula that is used to get the distance between 2 points is this formula, which is d is equal to put our roots here. So s2 minus s1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. Okay. This formula this formula is derived from these two coordinates by using of Pythagorean rule. Okay. Let's use this formula to solve this question that is given to us. So let me clean up these things here. So the question says that find the net of the line segments with endpoints. We have our s1. Let me write solution. Remember, this is our s1, this is our y1. So s1 is what? Is 1, and y1 is what? Is 7. Our s2 is what? Is 5, and y1, our y2 is what? Is 4. Okay, and the formula we're going to use is what? Is this roots s2 minus s1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. Okay, so our d is equal to, we still write our roots. Our s2 is what? Is 5. This minus our s1 is what? Is 1 all square. This plus our y2 is 4 minus our y1 is 7 all square. Okay, so you say d is equal to, we still put our roots. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 square is what? This is what? 4 square is what? 16. These are plus. 4 minus 7 is what? Is minus 3. Minus 3 square is what? Is 9. Okay, so let me clean up this side here. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, we have what? We have 25. So our root 25 is what? Root 25 is what? Is 5. Okay, so 5 is the answer to this simple question. Okay.